Before we dive into the world of sitcoms, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more content. What makes a great sitcom truly unforgettable? Is it the relatable characters, the witty humor, or the way it makes us feel like we're part of the gang? For many, it's a combination of these elements that sets a show apart from the rest. Take How I Met Your Mother and Friends, for example. Both shows follow a group of friends navigating life in New York City, but that's where the similarities end. Him premiered in 2005, a year after Friends ended its iconic run. The show revolves around Ted Mosby, a hopeless romantic, and his friends as they navigate love, careers, and life's ups and downs. At first glance, it's easy to see why him might be compared to Friends. Uh, both shows feature a tight knit group of friends, quirky humor, and relatable storylines. However, as we delve deeper into the world of Hemming, it's clear that this show has carved out its own unique identity. One of the standout aspects of Hemming is its use of recurring gags and long-running jokes. Who can forget Robin's alter ego, Robin Sparkles, or Arnie's infamous playbook? These quirks add a layer of humor and depth to the show that sets it apart from its predecessor. But what really sets him apart is its ability to tackle serious themes and storylines. The show isn't afraid to delve into complex issues like grief, loss, and relationships, making it a more nuanced and realistic viewing experience. In contrast to Friends, Hemming primarily revolves around the kinds of Ted's story, while Friends is more of an ensemble show. The character types in Hemming also differ significantly from those in Friends, with each one maintaining their distinct identity prof. So, what makes Hemming truly special is it the show's ability to balance humor and heart, or its willingness to tackle tough topics? Whatever it is, it's clear that Hemming has carved out its own unique place in the world of sitcoms. And on that note, why did the sitcom go to therapy? Because it had a lot of drama to work through. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,